Hey guys, welcome to IPINKIT. My name is Ingrid. Ooh, I'm so excited for today's video. Honestly, I feel like one of my favorite things about Istanbul was getting to try different cuisines. And I tried for the first time a date and onion chutney, and I've been obsessed since then. So I finally figured out how to make it, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 of my favorite chutney recipes. So for those who are not familiar, basically chutneys are sauces. They are traditionally made in India. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my date and onion chutney. I know it sounds a little bit weird. Trust me, it is delicious. I just love it, honestly. And then on the sweet side, I'm going to be sharing a mango chutney. And then the last one that I'm going to be sharing with you is a chimichurri. So I really hope that you guys learn so much in this video. Let's start by preparing the date and onion chutney. You're going to need to chop a quarter of your red onion and 2 small garlic cloves. Next, we're going to remove the pit of 5 medjool dates. These dates are going to be very chewy, and once you dice them, it's going to give that texture to your chutney. In a pot, add a quarter cup of orange juice, half a cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Add in your chopped dates, your red onions with garlic, half a cup of water, and a pinch of salt. Transfer your pot to the stove, and we're going to cook this on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. What you're looking for is for your chutney to look like a paste. Once this is almost ready, go ahead and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well, cook it for a few more minutes, and now it's time to store it. Now it's time to make our sweet mango chutney. For that, you're going to need 1 ripe mango. Go ahead and chop a medium to small size pieces. In a pot, let's mix half a cup of water, a quarter cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white wine vinegar. Add your mango, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix it well and transfer to a pot. You're going to also cook it on medium heat. This, you might have to continue on adding more water as it evaporates quickly, but the mango is not fully cooked. You gotta be a little patient as this one is going to cook in 30 to 40 minutes. Once it's almost ready, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Finally, just transfer to a container and now you can store it. Now let's make that mint chimichurri. You're gonna add half a cup of olive oil to a food processor, half a cup of white wine vinegar, 4 garlic cloves, half a cup of cilantro, half a cup of mint, a quarter teaspoon of coriander, a quarter teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to taste. You just go ahead and blend it, and now you can store it. Don't you love it when we have a loaded video? Honestly, as you realize, chutneys are going to be made with vinegar. So either it can be white or red vinegar. I prefer to use white vinegar, but also you can use apple cider vinegar. So this one, let me explain you how you can use it. So basically, if you grill or roast some veggies, then you can put it on top. Best compliment ever. But also if you make some vegan meatballs or some vegan meat substitutes, especially something that it's kind of like a vegan beef substitute, like a patty, I guess, a veggie patty, and you put this on top. Ooh, everyone's gonna love you, even yourself. You're gonna love yourself even more. And then this one, as you realize, this is more on the sweet side. So basically it doesn't have any salt but still has some vinegar. So this is my mango chutney. I would recommend for you to use this on a toast. So like breakfast toast, you can put like some cream cheese and then you can put like the mango chutney on top. Or also you can have it with an oatmeal bowl or even a quinoa flakes bowl. If you're interested about the quinoa flakes, I'm gonna leave you a video above and also below so you can check it out. And then the last one, I think you guys are familiar with this one. I feel like this is a very Latin sauce.
So it is chimichurri. This is originally made in Argentina. So they use it for all of the steaks and like to put it on top of chickens and stuff. But I personally use it for my salads. I just love all of these flavors and I really hope that you guys get to try them at home. And if you would love to continue watching more allergy friendly and vegan recipes, make sure to subscribe. All you need to do, you know, just click this red button on your screen, hit the bell once if you want to receive a notification every time I upload a video. If you would love to see allergy-friendly vegan vlogs and also more recipes, make sure to stick around my channel so you can check out inspiration for the week. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any recipe requests, make sure to leave those on the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Bye bye!